Hello everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix error code LC208 on Overwatch 2. So please watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any part of this video, because I'll show you different ways to fix this error. So now let's jump right into the video. Okay, so right now let's jump right into the video. So let me show you the first method, which is we have to check our package loss. So please press Windows key on your keyboard, and here just type in the search bar, type CMD, and just run as administrator. Here in the command prompt, what you have to do is to write this command, this following command. Please follow along with me so you don't miss any part of this video, and I hope I will help you with this video to fix this problem, because I know it's very annoying when you're just trying to play the game and you're just getting this error. When you get this error, I know it's very annoying, but guys, look, I have 0 lost, so there's no package lost, which will mean that I don't have problems with my internet connection, or so for me that's not a problem, and that's not why I get this error. But another thing that I tried, and it will help you as well, is to simply tap on this internet connection. And here, instead of using your Wi-Fi as I do right now, I'm using hotspot, connected to hotspot from my phone to my laptop. But what I do recommend is to disconnect from your Wi-Fi and use your cable, or vice versa. Just depends. I'm not saying your cable is not good or Wi-Fi. Just try different connections, please. That's what I'm trying to say. Just try different connection. This probably will help you. And if you ask yourself, or if you're curious what I'm using my Wi-Fi connection when I have the cable, because it's just faster. That's pretty much why I'm using Wi-Fi, but that's not all the time. Usually I use my cable connection. Now let's open battle.net. In here, and what I would suggest you to do is to simply change the region you play. Now obviously your MS will increase, but at least you're not getting this arrow. So just try and play on a different server, and also please go to option and game settings, and here please update to the latest version, battle.net. And also please, if you see here where it says play, if you see update, please update. This will help as well. And also tab on the options and please select scan and repair. This will help you as well, and I hope one of these methods will help you guys, because that's what I'm here. I love tutorials, and I love when I see comments like thank you, this helped. So guys, that's pretty much the tutorial. I tried all the methods. For me, what method worked for me was when I really switched my internet connection to Wi-Fi instead of cable. But I don't know if this one will work for you as well, but that's why telling you to try all the methods. And let me know guys in the comments section if you have any other problems, or let me know what are your thoughts, if you tried all the methods or if you tried one and it worked. Let me know, and I really appreciate you for watching this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if I helped you, and like this video. I really appreciate that. And guys, now I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you and take care.